Adobe Express is a top platform in my AI toolkit for 2026, providing tons of AI-powered features to quickly and easily create standout content. With the new AI assistant, for example, we can chat with AI to instantly make design tweaks and changes, which enhances our productivity, increases speed, and sparks creativity. And with Generative AI Imaging, we can use text prompts to generate any image we need in seconds, instead of wasting time browsing through stock footage. In this Express-sponsored video, I'll demonstrate each of these powerful AI tools and show you why they should be in your AI toolkit for 2026. To access Adobe Express and follow along, go ahead and click the link in the video description. So let's say I want to create an online ad for an upcoming virtual seminar. To quickly create my ad on Adobe Express, I'm going to start with the new AI Assistant feature. From the Adobe Express homepage, you should see a toggle icon at the top left of the screen. Here's where we can easily enable or disable the AI Assistant mode. If I turn the toggle on, it'll take me over to the AI Assistant. Here's where we can use simple text prompts to instantly make design changes, generate media, and much more. So for my seminar ad, let's start by generating a template. To do this, I can simply go to the prompt field here and type in the type of template that I'm looking for. I can then click search, and it'll pull up tons of customizable templates related to my topic. I can simply browse through the templates and select the one that I want to use as my starting point. For my virtual seminar, I think I'll try this template here. From the template preview, you should see a button at the bottom that says Edit with AI Assistant. Let's select this to edit my template. The design should then be opened up in the AI Assistant, where we can easily edit it using simple text prompts. Whether you need to change fonts or colors, add or remove objects on your template, or even tweak facial expressions or poses in images, this can be done instantly by simply describing what you want in the prompt field here. Also, in AI Assistant mode, keep in mind you can also edit and move things around manually as well. So now let's try editing with text prompts and see how good the AI Assistant really is. For the first example, let's see if AI can help us change the font to something more futuristic. I can then click send, and depending on what you ask, AI will either make the changes for you or provide you with the proper tools. So not only has the font on my template been changed to something more futuristic, but in my results on the left-hand side here, I can browse through and select from various futuristic font styles for my large text and my small text. Having AI pull up exactly what you need saves you a ton of time while designing. For my next prompt, let's see if AI can remove the half circles at the top of my image and add an AI-related graphic. I can then click enter, and let's see how AI handles my request. AI will then analyze my prompt, and after a few seconds, my changes should be made. And as you can see, the half circles have been removed from the top half of my template, and it actually provided several AI-related graphics here that I can select from. For my design, I think I'll go with this graphic here. And of course, you can easily resize and rearrange any of the elements on your template as needed. There we go. And right above the text field here, we also have smart prompt suggestions that actually adapt to your design. If you're ever unsure what to do next with your design, these AI suggested prompts are great for getting you unstuck. For my design, for instance, one of the suggested prompts says to add a glow effect to my main heading. If I select it, the prompt will be added to the text field below. I can then click send, and AI should start making my changes. And after a few moments, the glow effect has been added to my text. It even displays the correct tool here so I can adjust the glow effect if needed. But not only can we make changes to our text, I can even ask AI to change my bottom image to something AI related. I can then click send, and let's see what the AI assistant comes up with. And after a moment, my image has been updated, and I even have other suggested images at the bottom here. For my virtual seminar ad, I think I'll go with this one. Also, I think I'll have the AI assistant generate a background image for the top half of my template as well. When designing, take your time and feel free to use the AI assistant to make any changes that you like. And keep in mind, if you ever want to switch back over to the standard Adobe Express editor, simply turn off the AI assistant using the toggle button up top. And there we go. I can now manually edit my design using all of my favorite Adobe Express tools and features. And speaking of my favorite tools and features, on Adobe Express, we can also access Generative AI Imaging, where we can enhance our designs by generating ready-to-use images from just the text prompt. So to test this out, let's go to the Add Content icon from the menu on the left-hand side, then click the Generative AI tab. This will open up the Generative AI menu, where we can use AI to generate images, videos, templates, and even text effects. For this example, I want to generate an image, so let's select the Generate Image button. I can then select the aspect ratio of the image I want to generate, and I should then be taken over to the AI image generator. You'll also see the image preview screen appear on your template, which you can easily resize and move around. And to generate an image to use with my design, I can simply start by selecting an AI model from the drop-down menu up top here. We can select the Firefly model, which is designed to be commercially safe, or one of their many partner models. I'm going to use the Firefly model. And using the prompt field here, I can simply describe the image that I want to generate. So for the image to use with my ad here, let's see if I can generate a tree of knowledge growing from a computer circuit board with branches representing business workflows and AI tools. And this is a pretty complex image, so let's see if the AI can handle it. And with the Firefly model on Adobe Express, we have the ability to add style and composition reference images, choose our content type, and select from over 60 different styles that we can add to our photo. By selecting and combining various styles, you can easily customize the look and feel of your generated images. So once you've added your text prompt and selected your settings, go ahead and go down to the bottom here and click the Generate button. And AI will start generating your images based on your details. This may take a few moments, but once it's finished, you'll have several images that you can select from. Wow, I think these turned out great. I can now simply select the image that I want to use, and it'll automatically be added to the preview on my template. I think I'll just go with this one. I can now rearrange and resize my image if needed. And if I like, I can use Adobe Express to add more images, text, other elements, or whatever edits I want to make. And with my commercially safe images generated on Adobe Express, I can now download my new ad and post it to my website, my social media page, or wherever else I like. With so many tools for content creation, Adobe Express is a must-have in my AI toolkit for 2026. To sign up for Adobe Express and try it yourself, make sure you click the link in the video description. And if you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.